Good day, my name's Anthony McClure. I'm the Managing Director of Silver Mines Limited. Silver Mines Limited owns and controls one of the world's largest undeveloped silver projects, which is located to the west of Sydney in Australia, so in a premium jurisdiction. We've just completed the first ever feasibility on the project, and we look forward to developing over time. In addition to what we have a very exciting exploration play that's adjoining the silver asset, and that's more copper gold. Okay, we have issued capital. We have a little over 500 million shares on issue. We've got a market capitalisation of about 20 million Australian dollars. We're doing a rights issue at the moment, so we're raising $4 million at the moment. That's lead us into the next phase of the primarily drilling. We've got a great register, so we have on our register, our major shareholder is Paradise, which is a premium Australian institution. We have BlackRock, we have the Gold 2000 fund out of Zurich. We've got several funds out of London, and we have a good proportion of the Australian institutions on a register, which is great for a junior company. So milestones this year, we've had a great year. We've completed the feasibility on the silver asset, so just a little bit of data on that. The asset has got 270 million ounces of silver in resource, so it's a massive resource. We expect over time that's likely to significantly increase. The feasibility is looking at a 2 million tonne per annum operation. Initially that'll produce about 5 million ounces of silver a year with zinc and lead. There's a 16-year mine life to it. We feel that over time, and this is not something that's part of the feasibility yet, we feel over time that this is going to have a very, very significantly longer life than 16 years. The main drivers for primarily is the silver asset, of course, and achieving cash flow for that asset. That asset will grow over time, no doubt about it. It's initially an open cut development, it's likely to be an underground development as well. The resource is massive, and the initial feasibility is only tapping a proportion of that resource. Equally importantly is the exploration that we're doing. So to the north of the mine development, we've uncovered an area that has very significant outcropping copper, gold and molybdenum on surface. This is something that a Anglo-American discovered in the mid-1970s. No work has been done on the project since then, and we've uncovered what effectively is a very substantial, potentially substantial commodity play that is will be commencing drilling in September. So we're very excited about that. Europeans love silver, so gold and silver has always been something. I think from my experience, a lot of people will remember us from Bolnisi, and that was Bolnisi Gold, contrary to its name, was a primary silver asset, and we had great ownership and great shareholders out of Europe that followed that. I think now that was a while ago, and that got taken over in 2008. Very successful company. I think nowadays the understanding of silver and other commodities is even greater than what it was back then. Silver is down the bottom of the cycle at the moment. The growth in it is phenomenal, so I think that's really something to look forward to. And the Europeans know it well, so we're looking forward to that.